2018 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ 4-digit ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 88? ಸೊ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದು ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 88 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ 9988. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 88ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 88 ಆರ್ 8 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 11. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ 8 ಮತ್ತು 11ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ 8 ಮತ್ತು 11. ಸೊ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ 8 ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 digits ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 8 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 11 ಸೇಸ್ difference between the sum of numbers in odd places and even places must be 0 or divisible by 11. So ಈ two conditions satisfy ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ this number is divisible by 88. So let us check first for 8. So last 3 digits ಯಾವುದು 988. So is it divisible by 8? 8 ones are 8. So 1 remaining. Then 8. Then 8 2s are 16. So 2 remaining. Then 28. Then 8 3s are 24. So 4 remaining. So ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ 8ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 4 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲೇ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ 11 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 88. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಗೋಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ 9944. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ ನಾನೀಗ 9944. ಸೊ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ 8 ಮತ್ತು 11ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So 9944. 8 ones are 8. 1 remaining. 9. Then 8 2s are 16. So 3 remaining. 4. Then 8 4s are 32. So 2 remaining. 4 comes down. Then 8 3s are 24. So remainder is 0. That means this number is divisible by 8. Then let us check for 11. So 11th rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, sum of the numbers in odd places ಮತ್ತು sum of the numbers in even places. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 11 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 9 + 4 ಯಾವುದು 4 ಮತ್ತು ಈ 9. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈವನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ 9 ಮತ್ತು 4. ಸೊ 9 + 4. ಸೊ 13 ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ 13. 13 - 13 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0. ಸೊ 11 ಕೂಡ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ರೂಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 11. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 88 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಎರಡೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ದೆನ್ ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 40? ಸೊ 40 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕೌಂಟ್. 2 ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್, 3, 4 ಅಲ್ಲ, 5, ದೆನ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲ, 7, 8 ಅಲ್ಲ, 9 ಅಲ್ಲ, 10 ಅಲ್ಲ, 11, ದೆನ್ 12 ಅಲ್ಲ, 13, 14 ಅಲ್ಲ, 15 ಅಲ್ಲ, 16 ಇಲ್ಲ, 17, ದೆನ್ 19, ದೆನ್ 23, then 24 is not a prime number, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 31, then 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37 is a prime number, 38, 39, 40. So these numbers are the prime numbers between 1 to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 prime numbers. Next one, what is the value of A and B? ಈ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ B18 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ B + 1 ಈಸ್ 8. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ B ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 7. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು 7 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 7 + 1 ಈಸ್ 8. ದೆನ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 4 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 4 + 7 ಈಸ್ 11. ಸೊ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. ಸೊ 2 + 1 3, 3 + 3 2 + 1 3, 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 4 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ 3 + 4 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ 7. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 + 7 10 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 10 ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. 1 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 4 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 4 and 7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಸ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು 0 ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ 1 2 3 4. ಸೊ 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ +4. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 7 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ 7 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ, ದೆನ್ 7 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ದೆನ್ 1 2 3 4 5 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ -7 + 5. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಕುಮಾರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 1.5 hour on Monday and 5 1/2 hours on Tuesday and 4 hours on Wednesday. Of this total time, 1/3 hour is spent for browsing internet. How many hours does he spend on browsing internet? ಸೊ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಮಂಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 1.5 hour. ದೆನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ 5 1/5 hour. ದೆನ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ 4 hour. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 1/2 + 5 1/5 + 4. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 2 × 1 2, 2 + 1 ಈಸ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಸೊ 5 × 5 ಈಸ್ 25 + 1 26/5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು LCM ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2 5s are 10. ಸೊ 10 ಈಸ್ ದ LCM. 2 5s are 10. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 5 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 5 3s are 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 2s are 10. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 26 × 2 ಈಸ್ 52 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 × 10 ಈಸ್ 10. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 10 to the numerator. So 10 4s are 40 and this is equal to 40 + 50 is 90. 90 + 10 is 100. 100 + 5 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 107 divided by 10. So this is the total time he is spending for work. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1/3 of this total time is spent on internet. So 1/3 of the total time. This is for what? This is for internet. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ, ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 107/3 × 10 ಈಸ್ 30. 107/30 ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು. ಸೊ 30 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 33 is 90. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ 707. 10ನಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಹೋದರೆ 17. ಸೊ 317/30. ಸೊ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಡಿವೈಡೆಂಡ್ 3, ದೆನ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 17, ದೆನ್ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ 30. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್, ದೆನ್ ಡಿವೈಸರ್. ಸೊ 317/30, which is option D. In a class of 60 students, 1/4 of the students like to study science, 2/3 of the students like to study English, and remaining students like to study mathematics. What fraction of the total number of students like to study mathematics? 1/4 of the students ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೈನ್ಸು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಐ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು 2/3 ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 60. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ಲು 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 60 ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. 60 1/4 plus 2/3 plus x is equal to 60. So 60 gets cancelled. Next LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 3s are 12 LCM. Then numerator 3 plus 3 4s are 12. So 4 into 2 is 8 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So 1 12s are 12. So 12 into x is 12x. And this is equal to 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 3 + 8 is 11. ಸೊ 11 + 12x ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ 12x ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12. ಈ 11 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 12 - 11 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಸೊ x ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/12. ಅಂದರೆ 1/12 of the students are liking to study mathematics. So option A. Next question. If x minus 2 is a factor of the equation 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2 is equal to 0, then what is the value of p? So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು by factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of a polynomial f of x, then f of a is always equal to 0. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ x minus 2 ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ f of x ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. f of a ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ f of 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಇಂಟು x ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಕಡೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ? 2 ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ p ಇಂಟು 2 minus 2 and this is equal to 0. 2 into 2 cube is 8. 8 2s are 16 minus 2 square is 4 minus 2p minus 2 and this is equal to 0. Then 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. So minus 2p is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ minus 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ p is equal to minus ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 10/2 and this is 5. ಸೊ p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 5. What is the nature of the root of the equation 5x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0? ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac. ಇದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನಿದೆ 5, ಬಿ ಏನಿದೆ -6 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 6 ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 7. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ -6 whole square -4 into 5 into 7. So 6 square is 36 minus 5 4s are 20, 27s are 140. So this is equal to 140. 36 minus 140 is -104. So we got minus discriminant as minus value. ಹಾಗಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0. The roots are imaginary. Next one, if 2a is to 3b and 4b is to 5c, then a is to b is. 2a is to 3b means 2a is equal to 3b and 4b is equal to 5c. ಸೊ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3/2 into b. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4, 5 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 4/5 b. ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ a is to c, that means a by c, that is equal to 3/2b whole divided by 455b, and this is equal to 3/2 into 5/4. This is equal to 3 5s are 15 by 4 2s are 8. So a is to c is equal to 15 is to 8. Option B. A line of 0.5 meter length is divided into two parts such that first part is 2/3 of the second part. What is the length of the second part? So ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ and which is 0.5 meter. ಇದನ್ನು ಟೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ us take this as x and this as y. They are saying that x means the first part is 2/3 of the second part. Second part ಏನಿದೆ y ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ x is equal to 2/3 of y. ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 0.5 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.5 ಮೀಟರ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 50 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ 2/3 ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 50. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3. ಸೊ 2y ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3y ಈಸ್ 50. 2y plus 3y is 5y is equal to 3 into 50, 150. So y is equal to 150 by 5, that is 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. So y is 30 centimeter. Option C. What is the value of x in the given geometrical figure? So ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ and exterior angle ಇದೆ. So if you see, this is a straight line, that means this is a straight angle. Straight angle means the sum of the angles will be always equal to 180 degree. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಇದೆ already, so ಈ angle will be 70 degree. So that sum ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 180 degree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next we know that sum of angles in a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So ಏನಾಯಿತು, 70 plus 70 plus x must be equal to 180 degree. So 70 plus 70 is 140 degree. So 180 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 140 degree ಹೋದರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ನಮಗೆ 40 degree. So this angle is 14 degree. Next one. A circle circumscribed a rectangle with sides 6 cm and 8 cm. Then what is the circumference of a circle? So one circle ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? There is a circle with center. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು 6 cm ಮತ್ತು 8 cm. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್. ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಥ್ರೂನೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್, ಇದರ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್. ಸೊ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ 2 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ 2. ಇನ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 90 degree. So these triangles are right angled triangle. So we can apply a Pythagoras theorem for these triangles. These 2 triangles are congruent only. So we can apply a Pythagoras theorem to any of the triangles. So ನಾನು ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, a sum of square of both the sides is equal to square of the hypotenuse. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36 and that is equal to x square. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? 100, that is equal to x square, and this implies the value of x is 10 cm. ಸೊ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಈಗ? ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, and which is also a diameter of a circle. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕಲಿಂಗ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ 10/2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 cm. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ? ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into pi into r, 2πr. ಸೊ 2 into 22/7 into radius is 5. We know 22/7, we can take that as 3.142. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 into 3.142 is 31.42 or 31.4. Whatever we have in options, we can take that. So option B. Next one. How many lines of symmetry are there in a regular pentagon? Okay. Pentagon. So I will draw a pentagon. Pentagon means a polygon with 5 sides and all the sides are equal only. So line of symmetry andre a line which divides the figure into exactly 2 parts, exactly congruent 2 parts. Okay, so from here one, from here one, from here one, from here one, and from here one. So it is 5 lines of symmetry. In general, if we have n sides or n vertices, we will be having that many lines of symmetry. For example, for hexagon, we will be having 6 lines of symmetry. For heptagon, 7. For octagon, 8. For nanogon, 9. Like that it goes. Average daily rainfall during first 30 days of July was 1.5 mm. However, so much rain fell on 31st July that average rainfall for the month of July was 2 mm. What is the rainfall on 31st July? So starting 30 days to average rainfall ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1.5 mm ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 30 ಡೇಸ್ದು ನಾವೇನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 30 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 30 ಡೇಸ್ದು ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 30 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 30. This is equal to, this is average and average is given as 1.5. ಸೊ ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 31st ಜುಲೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ವೈ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ 31 ಡೇಸ್ದೂ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 2 mm. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ. So this is sum of all the 30 days plus 31st day. So idu sum ಆಯಿತು. Divided by how many days? 31 days. And this average is equal to 2 mm. Okay. So now ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಿಂದ ನಮಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ x equal to 1.5 into 30. So 1.5 into 30 is 45. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ 45. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 31 into 2, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 62. ಸೊ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 62 minus 45 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 17. ಸೊ 17 mm ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಆನ್ 31st July. Next one, in a class 40% of the students offered Kannada, 25% offered Sanskrit and 10% offered both. If a student is selected at random, what is the probability that he has offered Kannada or Sanskrit? So, first Kannada ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So, probability of students offered Kannada is 40 by 100 and this will be 4 by 10. Then 25% is offered Sanskrit. So Sanskrit is 25 by 100 and this is 1 by 4. Next, both 10% is both Sanskrit and Kannada and this is equal to 10 by 100 and that is 1 by 10. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಅವರು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆರ್ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ minus probability of A intersection B. So here we have probability of Kannada, ಆಮೇಲೆ probability of Sanskrit, both ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So both is nothing but intersection of both. So it is probability of Kannada and Sanskrit. So probability of Sanskrit or Kannada means it is nothing but union. So substitute the values now. 4 by 10 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 10. And this is equal to, so LCM 40 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So 10 4s are 40, so 4 4s are 16 plus 4 10s are 40. So it is 1 into 10 minus 10 4s are 40. So 4 into 1 is 4. And this is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. 16 plus 6 is 22 by 40. So 2 11s are 2 20s are. And this is equal to 11 by 20. So which is option C. So the probability that a student offered Kannada or Sanskrit is 11 by 20. Next one. one angle of an 8-sided polygon is 65 degree and the other angles are equal. What is the measure of each equal angle? Okay, 8-sided polygon means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 sides ಇದೆ. Okay, sum of the angles in a 8-sided polygon will be equal to how much? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, it is n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is for polygon of sides n. So 8 sides ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ it is 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. This is why this is because you already know ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಥರ. how many triangles are formed? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So sum of angles in one triangle is 180 degree. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 triangles form ಆಯಿತು. So 6 into 180 degree. So this is sum of the angles, all the interior angles in a polygon. So ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 6 into 180 degree. So this is equal to 1080 degree. So this is sum of angles. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ one angle is 65 degree. So one angle is 65 degree and all the other angles are equal. ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಉಳಿತು ನಮಗೀಗ? ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ 65 degree, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 angles. So it is x into 7 and this must be equal to 1080 degree. So 7x is equal to 1080 minus 65 degree and this is equal to 1015 degree. So x equal to 1015 degree by 7 and this is equal to 145 degree. So the each angle is 145 degree. Option D. Next one. What is the perimeter of a semicircular plate of diameter 10 cm? So semicircular plate ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Semicircle. So this will be center and diameter ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 10 cm ಇದೆ. So they are asking for perimeter. Perimeter means ಆ ಸುತ್ತಳತೆ. This one plus this one. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 10 cm ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ circumference of a circle. So 1/2 of circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r. So 10 plus 2 gets cancelled. So pi value is 3.142 into 10 diameter ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 10 plus 3.142 into 5 is 15.710. ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 10 plus 15 is 25.710. ಸೊ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಸೊ 25.7. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Next one. How many liters of water can a hemisphere bowl of diameter 10 cm can hold? So hemisphere andre this will be like this. So diameter ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 10 cm. We know that volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. So this is equal to 2/3 pi value 3.142 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಂಟು ಸೊ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ 10 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2/3 into 3.142 into 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay. This is equal to 261.83. But the volume it is centimeter cube or cubic centimeters. But ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೀಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 1 liter means that is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ 261.83 ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು 1 ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1000 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ 0.26183 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, the B option is the right one, 0.26. Next one, what is the height of a cylinder whose radius is 7 cm and the total surface area is 968 cm? So, cylinder ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So, total surface area of a cylinder is equal to, so first lateral surface area or we can say it curved surface area. So, idella curved surface area. So, curved surface area plus area of the top and area of the bottom. Since both are equal, we can take 2 into area of top plus bottom ಅಥವಾ base. So, this is equal to curved surface area ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, circumference into height. So, circumference of a cylinder is 2 pi r. So, 2 pi r into h plus 2 into ಟಾಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಸ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಇಂಟು ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾನು 22/7 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 7 ಅಂತ. ಹೆಚ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 22/7 ಇಂಟು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 7 ಇಂಟು 7 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಾವು 968 ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 7 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 7 7 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಇಂಟು 22 ಈಸ್ 44 ಹೆಚ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಇಂಟು 22 ಈಸ್ 44 ಇಂಟು 7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 968 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 44 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ 44 ಇಂಟು ಹೆಚ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 968/44 and this is equal to h plus 7. So 2 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 22s are 2 4s are 8, 2 8s 16 and 2 4s are 8. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 11s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. Next 11 1s are 11 2s are 22, 2 remaining. Then 11 2s are 22. So this implies h plus 7 is equal to 22. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, h is equal to 7ನ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 22 minus 7 and this is equal to 15 centimeter. Hello everyone. Today I am solving Karnataka TET question paper of 2019. The least positive integer whose product with 9408 gives a perfect square is. We do this by prime factorization. When you do a factorization for this number, you get factors as like this. You know that by grouping, we can find which number has to be multiplied. In this, we're left with only 3. So you have to multiply by 3 to get a perfect square. Therefore, the answer is B. Next one is, the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are x plus 3, x minus 2 and x minus 1 respectively. The volume of the cuboid is. We know that the volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. Length, breadth and height, product of all these. So substitute the length x plus 3, breadth x minus 2, then height x minus 1. Then by multiplying you get the answer as x cube minus 7x plus x. Next one, the cost of making an article is divided between materials, labor and overheads in the ratio 5:3:1. The cost of materials is rupees 125. Therefore, the cost of labor is. Here the cost has been divided as for materials, labors and overhead in the ratio 5:3:1. So let us take them as 5x, 3x and 1x. Then the cost of materials is given and we are taking cost of materials as 5x. Therefore equate 5x is equal to 125 rupees. Then you get the value of x as 25. They are asking for the cost of labor. We have taken the labor as 3x. Therefore 3x is equal to 3 into 25 which is 75. Option D. Next one, the missing number in the given pattern is. If you sum all these numbers of a row, you get 18. Similarly, for this row also, you get 18. So, the missing number will be 5 so that the sum will be equal to 8. Therefore, it is 5. Next one, a man was 25 years old when his son was born and 2 years later a daughter was born. When the man celebrates his 60th birthday, the age of his daughter is. When he is 25 years, a son is born. After 2 years means he will be of 27 years. At that time, the daughter is born. When he is celebrating 60th birthday, the age of daughter will be 60 minus 27. That is 33 years. Next one, the base of a triangle is 4 cm longer than its altitude. If the area of the triangle is 48 square centimeter, the base of the triangle is. We need to find the base of the triangle. They are saying the base is 4 more than its altitude. I have taken the altitude as h. Therefore, base is equal to 4 plus h and height as h. Then, we know that area of a triangle is half into base into height. Substitute the area which is given as 48 equal to 1 by 2 into 4 plus h into h. By simplifying, you get a quadratic equation as h square plus 4h minus 96. Now solve this quadratic equation by splitting method. You get the value of h as 8 and minus 12. But the length will be always in a positive. Therefore, we take h is equal to 8. Therefore, base is equal to 4 plus h, that is 12 cm. Next one, the average of 5 consecutive integers is 3. The difference between second and fourth term of the sequence is. Let us take the consecutive numbers as a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3 and a plus 4. Consecutive integers means the difference between the adjacent numbers will be 1, that is the consecutive numbers. So average has been given as 3. Therefore add all the numbers and divide by 5 since there are 5 numbers equal to 5. Then by adding this you get 5a plus 10 which is equal to 5 into 3 15. Then 5a is equal to 15 minus 10. A is equal to 5 by 5 which is 1. So you get the value of a as 1. That means the first number will be 1. Then they are asking for the difference of second and fourth term. So second number will be 2 and fourth number will be 4. So the difference will be 4 minus 2 which is 2. Next one, choose and substitute the correct set of signs in the place of star sequentially. Select from the given alternatives to make the equation meaningful. To make this equation meaningful, this option goes correct. Because 4 3 is 12 which is equal to 48 by 4 is 12. Therefore, this one. Next one, the base of a prism is a right angled triangle with base edge 6 cm, 8 cm and hypotenuse 10 cm. If the total surface area of a prism is 156 cm square, then its lateral surface area is. So they have given a prism with base right angled triangle and hypotenuse given as 10 and other two sides will be 6 and 8. We know that total surface area will be equal to the lateral surface area and area of top and base. Now substitute the value of TSA, which is given as 156, is equal to LSA plus area of base and top will be both equal. Therefore 2 into area of this triangle will be half into base into height. So half, if I take this as base, then it will be height. So half into 6 into 8. 2 gets cancelled. Then 6 into 8 is 48. Therefore LSA is equal to 156 minus 48, which is 108 centimeter square. Next one, the right angled triangle is rotated on one of the side perpendicular to base. The solid generated on revolution is. So here the right angled triangle, you are rotating in this side. When you rotate this, you get a cone. Next one, an exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree and one of the interior opposite angles is 45 degree. The other two angles of the triangle are. Here it is given that exterior angle is 100 degree and one of the opposite angles will be 45 degree. So I have taken this angle as 45 degree. We need to find other two angles. Now, if you take here, the sum of angles on this straight line must be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, if it is 100 degree, then obviously this angle will be 80 degree. Therefore, it is 80 degree. Next, we need to find this. Let us take this as x. Then, sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. We know that. Therefore, 45 degree plus 80 degree plus x will be equal to 180. Then by simplifying, you get x is equal to 55 degree. Therefore, the two angles will be 55 and 80. Option C. Next one, the number of lines of symmetry in a regular pentagon is. It is 5. We'll show how it is. From this point 1, from this point 1, from this point 1, and from this point 1, and from this point 1. So totally you get 5. So for any regular pentagon, if it is having n points, then the lines of symmetry will be n. Next one, the sum of two numbers is 45 and their ratio is 7:8, then the numbers are. Let A and B be two numbers and their sum is 45. The ratio is given as 7/8. Then by this cross multiply here, 8A is equal to 7B and then A is equal to 7/8 into B. Now use this value of A in this equation. Now I get the value of B as 24. Then substitute the value of B in this equation to get the value of A, which is 21. Therefore the option A. Next one, if 14 is taken away from 1/5 of a number, the result is 20. The equation expressing this statement is. So let us take the number as x. Then 14 is taking away means we are subtracting 14 from 1/5 of the number. Therefore it is 1/5 of x minus 14, which is equal to 20. So it is x by 5 minus 14 is equal to 20. Option C. Next one, the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. The percentage of increase is. So let us take a difference of a population. First the population was 25,000, then it is decreased to 24,500. Therefore the difference is 500. Now let us find the value of 1%. So the value of 1% is 25,000 divided by 100. You get the value of 1% is 250. Now by dividing the difference by the percent of 1, you get it is 2. So this is the percentage. 2% decrease. Next one. The length of the diagonal of a rectangle playground is 125 centimeter and the length of one side is 75 meter. The length of the other side is. So we know that in a rectangle, this angle will be 90 degree. Therefore, it forms a right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem in this. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Then you get BC square is equal to 125 square minus 75 square. So 125 square is 15,625 minus 5,625. So you get the difference as 10,000. Then BC is root of 10,000, which is 100. So answer is 100 meters. Next one, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles is. Now let us take the circumference of the circle 1 as C1 and a radius as R1, which is given as 19 centimeter. Then circumference of another circle as C2 and radius as R2, which is given as 9 centimeter. Then let us take a bigger circle as C3 and whose radius is R3 we need to find. It is given that circumference of other circle which is equal to sum of these two circumference of these two circles. Therefore it is C1 plus C2. Now we know that circumference is 2 pi r. So substitute the value of r1 here and r2 here. Then by adding you get the circumference as 56 pi and which is equal to the circumference of another circle, bigger one. Now substitute 2 pi r3 is equal to 56 pi and r3 is equal to 56 by 2, which is 28 centimeter. Next one, the value of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 is. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So it is 1 plus 1 by 2. Then take LCM for this. Then you get 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2. Then this is in the form A by B by C. Therefore this 2 goes to the numerator. Therefore 1 plus 2 by 3. Now take LCM. You get 5 by 3. Option D. Next one is, the figure consists of 5 squares of same area. If the area of the figure is 45 square centimeter, then the perimeter of the figure is. Let us take this as 1 square and side of a 1 square as x. Then area of each square will be x square. Then total area will be 5x square since there are 5 square in this diagram. Then total area is given as 45 square centimeter. Therefore equate it as 45 is equal to 5x square. Then you get x square is equal to 45 by 5, which is 9, and x equal to 3. That means the each side of a square is 3 centimeter. Then perimeter means just the outer length. Therefore each side will be 3 centimeter. Therefore perimeter will be 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many times? 12 times. So 12 into 3. 12 3 is 36. Therefore 36 centimeter is the perimeter. Sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 is. So the starting number will be 6, then 12, then 18. Like this we get 40 positive integers. 6, 12, 18, the difference will be 6 in between each terms. So this forms an arithmetic progression. We know that for a arithmetic progression, the sum of n numbers will be equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. where n is the number of terms, a is the first term, and d is the difference between the second term and first term. Then n means here we need to find sum of the 40 positive integers. Therefore n is 40. 40 by 2 into the first term is 6 plus 40 minus 1 into difference is 6. Therefore 6. Then by simplifying you get 4920. Option E. For more examples of arithmetic progression, you can see many videos in my channel. Please do visit. Hello everyone. Today I am solving mathematics TET question paper of this year. In the expansion 4p minus 3q whole square, the numerical coefficient of pq is. Here we can see that this is in the form a minus b whole square. So by expanding this, we get the coefficient of pq is minus 24. Next one. The sum of two numbers is 2490. If 6.5% of one number is equal to 8.5% of the other, then the numbers are. Let us take xy as the two numbers and its sum is given as this much. So x plus y is equal to 2490 and it is given 6.5% of one number is equal to 8.5%. I also write this as an equation like this. Now by solving this, we get x equal to 17 by 13y. By replacing x in this equation, we get y equal to 1079. So in given four options, we have value of y as 1079 in only B option. So obviously the x value will be 1411. No need to solve for y. So B is the right answer. Next one. The denominator of a fraction is greater than its numerator by 11. If 8 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 3 by 4. Then the original fraction is. Let us take the original fraction as x by y. It is given that denominator is greater than numerator by 11. So I am replacing the denominator by x plus 11. Next it is given 8 is added to both numerator and denominator. So I am adding 8 to both numerator and denominator. So thus we get x plus 8 by x plus 19 is equal to 3 by 4. It is also given it becomes 3 by 4 after adding 8. So then by solving this we get x equal to 25. So in options check it, x value is given 25 in only C options. So no need to solve for y. The correct answer is C, 25 by 36. Next one, the value of root 6 plus root 6 and so on up to infinity is. For solving this, I am putting this as x. Take square on both sides. 6 plus root 6 equal to x square. Now I will replace this as x because we kept this as x. So I am replacing this by x. Now taking all the terms on the left side, x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We know how to solve a quadratic equation by taking the factors. So by solving this, we get two roots, x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 2. But the answer is x equal to 3, positive 1, because the root of a positive number is always a positive number. So it is the right answer, A. Next one, given that one of the 0 of a polynomial a square plus 9x square plus 13x plus 6a is reciprocal of the other, the value of a is. We know that the sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a and product of two roots is equal to c by a. For a quadratic equation, I am using this one here. Let us take alpha as the root. It is given one is a root and another root is a reciprocal of other. So alpha into 1 by alpha is equal to c divided by a. By solving this, we get a equal to 3. Next one, the area of a base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter cube. Next one, the area of a base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter square and its height is 10 centimeter. The volume of a cylinder is. It is given base is 44 centimeter square area and it is along the height 10 centimeter. So just by multiplying these two, we get 440 centimeter cube. D is the right answer. Next one, a solid sphere and solid hemisphere have equal total surface areas. The ratio of their radii is. Let us take R1 and A1 be radius and area of solid sphere and R2 and A2 be the radius and area of the solid hemisphere. And it is given they have equal areas. So I am equating A1 is equal to A2. And we know area of a solid sphere is 4 pi R1 square. Then this is equal to area of solid hemisphere, that is equal to 3 pi R2 square. Now pi get cancels. R1 square divided by R2 square is equal to 3 by 4. By taking a square root, we get root 3 by 2. So the answer is root 3 by 2. Next one. One root of a quadratic equation 2x square minus kx plus 4 equal to 0 is 2. The value of k is. Since 2 is the root of an equation, by replacing x equal to 2 in this equation, we get the value of k is equal to 6. Next one, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, angle A is equal to 48 degree, angle ACD is 18 degree. The measure of DCB has to be found. Since it is an isosceles triangle, we have angles opposite to the opposite sides are equal. So let us find first angle B and angle C. It is given angle A is 48 degree. So by subtracting from 180 degree, we get 132. 132. These two are equal angles. So I am dividing this by 2. So we get 66 as angle B and angle C. It is given that this half portion angle as 18 degree. So I am subtracting this by 18. Finally we get 448. DCB is the 48 degree. Next one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 cm square. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 cm square and EF is equal to 15.4 cm. The measure of BC is. We have a result that area of one triangle similar to the other triangle is equal to the sides. Ratio of the sides square. So here we have area of ABC is 64 and DEF as 121 equal to BC divided by EF, which is given as 15.4. So by solving this we get BC is equal to 11.2 cm. A chord of length 16 cm is drawn at a distance of 6 cm from the center of a circle. The radius of the circle is. Here 16 cm length chord is drawn here at a distance 6 cm from the center. When a perpendicular is drawn from the center of a circle, the chord is divided into two equal parts. So we can take AB as 8 cm. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find the OB. By this we get OB is equal to 10 cm. Next one. The area of a quadrant of a circle when perimeter of a circle is 44 cm is. Quadrant means a single, this portion, any one portion. All the quadrants will be equal. So any one portion is a quadrant. We have to find the area of a quadrant. Here it is given perimeter of a circle. We know that perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r equal to, it is given 44. So 44. By this we can find a measure of radius r equal to 7. We know that area of a circle is pi r square. By putting the value of r is equal to 7, we get the area of a circle. But the quadrant means a 1 by 4th of a area of a circle. So we are dividing it by 4. By this we get the area of quadrant as 38.5 cm square. Next one, ABCD is a square of side 14 cm. APD and BPC are two equal semicircles touching each other as shown in the figure. the area of a shaded region is. We have to find the area of this shaded region. We can find the area of this square and also this semicircles. It is given that these two semicircles are equal. So by this we can get a circle both. Next one, ABCD is a square of side 14 cm. ABD and BPC are two equal semicircles touching each other as shown in the figure. The area of a shaded region is. We have to find this shaded region. Here area of a square is 14 square 196. Area of a semicircles is, since both the semicircles are equal, it will become a circle. So this area will become pi r square, which is equal to 22 into 7. By subtracting area of square by this area of circle, we get 42 centimeter. Next one, the 10th term of arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 is. We know that nth term of a arithmetic progression is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the a value is 3 plus n minus 1 will be 9 because n value is 10 and minus 1 is 9. Difference is 4. So by 3 plus 36 is 39. The answer is 39. Next one, the sum of natural numbers between 100 and 200 which are exactly divisible by 6 is. It is somewhat a tricky question. Let us find the first number which is divisible by 6 and last number which is divisible by 6. Let us divide 100 by 6 so that we get a remainder as 4. If we add a number 2 to this, then it is completely divided by the sum of natural numbers between 100 and 200 which are exactly divisible by 6 is. Now let us find the first number and the last number which are completely divisible by 6. So we have 100 here. Let me divide this by 6. So I get a remainder 4. If I add 2 to this number, then this number is completely divisible by 6. So that will be 102. Now next I will divide a number 200 by 6. Then I get remainder 2. Since it is a number which is less than 200, I am subtracting this from 200. So I get 198. This is the number which is completely divisible by 6 and it is less than 200. So we have A as 102 and the last term as 198. We don't have how many numbers, but we have just a first number and a last number. So to find the terms with number of terms, I am using Tn equal to n plus n minus 1 into t. So we have the last term as 198. So by solving this, we get n equal to 17. So total we have 17 terms here. This is the first term and this is the last term. Middle we have totally 17 numbers. We have the summation is given by n by 2 into a plus l. So n we have 17 by 2 into first term and last term, which gives rise to 2550. D is the right answer. Next one, a number a is chosen at random from the numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The probability that a is less than 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 numbers are less than 3 only. So we are choosing 6 numbers out of 7. So 6 by 7 is the right answer. Next one, the formula to calculate the mode for the given data is. Second one. Next one, the value of 2 tan 60 divided by 1 plus tan square 60 is. We know that the value of tan 60 is root 3. So 2 into root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 whole square is 3. So we get root 3 by 2, which is equal to sin 60 degree. So second one. Next one, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, cot A is equal to root 3. The value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is, in the triangle A, B, C, we have B as 90 degree. Cot A is given root 3. So the angle cot A is root 3. So the angle A will be 30 degree. This is 90 degree. So the total 120 will be. So the angle B will be 60 degree. So we get the angle C is 60 degree. Sorry. Then sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So the total is 1. So option B. Next one. In the figure, O is the center of a circle. The value of x in the coordinates of P is. This is the diameter P, Q. We know that the center of a circle divides the diameter into two equal parts. So by using the midpoint formula, we get x equal to 3. Next one, the distance between the points 2, 5 and x, minus 7 is 3. Then the positive value of x is. We have the distance formula as d is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by solving this, we get a quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 21. By solving this, by taking the factors minus 7 and 3, we get x equal to 7 and x equal to minus 3. Since here it is asked for a positive value of x, it is x equal to 7, which is A. 4 tan A is equal to 3. Then the value of 4 sin A minus cos A by 4 sin A plus cos A is. They have given the value of tan. So to make it tan, multiply and divide by cos A. Then we get 4 tan A minus 1 by 4 tan A plus 1 equal to 3. I am replacing 4 tan A as 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So the first one is answer. Next one. Sin A is equal to 1 by 2 and cos B is equal to 1 by 2. Then the value of A plus B is. We know that sin A is 1 by 2. So the value of A will be 30 degree. Then the value of B will be 60 degree. So the A plus B is 90 degree. Next one. The points minus 5, 1, 1, P and 4, minus 2 are collinear if the value of P is. We know that the formula area of triangle when 3 points are given is 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So by replacing all these values given here, we get the value of P as minus 1. Next one. M and n are the roots of the quadratic equation 4x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then the value of 1 by m plus 1 by n is. We know that the sum of roots is equal to minus b by a and the product of roots is equal to c by a. Here we have the value of a is 4, b is 3 and c is 7. So the m plus n will be minus 3 by 4 and m into n is 7 by 4. So to find the value of 1 by m plus 1 by n, we take a LCM and then we get n plus m by m into n, which is equal to minus 3 by 4 by 7 by 4. 4 gets cancelled, so we get the answer as minus 3 by 7. Next one, the quadratic equation whose roots are 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2 is. We know that if alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation, then the quadratic equation will be in the form x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Here we have the value of alpha as 3 plus root 2 and beta as 3 minus root 2. So by adding this we get 6 and by product we get 7. So by replacing in this equation we get the quadratic equation as x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. The first one is the answer. Next one is the area of circle that can be inscribed in a square of 10 centimeter is. So here we have a square of 10 centimeter. We can inscribe a circle of diameter 10 centimeter here. So the radius will be 5 centimeter. We know that area of a circle is pi r square. So radius is 5 centimeter. So 5 square is 25. 25 pi is the area of circle. Next one. The radius of a circle is doubled. Its area becomes. We know that area of a circle is A is equal to pi r square. If we double the radius, that means 2r, then the area becomes 4 times the usual area. Next one, the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is given as Sn is equal to 3n square plus n, then its fifth term is. To find out the fifth term, we need the first term and the difference. So to find out the first term and difference, so let us find first S1. S1 is, by putting the value of n as 1, we get S1. 3 into 1 square plus 1, which is 4, which is the first term also, and which is A. Next, let us find S2. S2 is nothing but the sum of first term and second term. This is got by replacing the value of n as 2. So we get 14. Now, we can find out the second term by using this. S2 is equal to 14. T1 plus T2 is 14. Therefore, T2 is equal to 14 minus 1. That is, T2 is equal to 10. So, we have the first term as 4 and the second term as 10. So, the difference is 6. Now, we have the formula nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, T5 is A plus 4D. So, A value is 4 and 4 into difference is 6. So, we get 28. So, the fifth term is 28. Next one, the angles of a quadrilateral are in arithmetic progression. If the biggest angle is 165 degree, then the smallest angle is. So, let us take x plus d, x plus 2d and x plus 3d be the angles which are in arithmetic progression. And it is also given that the biggest angle is 165 degree. So I am taking x plus 3d as the biggest angle and it is equal to 165 degree. We need to find the smaller one, that is x. We know that the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So I am adding all these things. So by adding we get 4x plus 60 is equal to 360 degree. We need to find the value of x. So I keep 4x as it is. Now I replace the value of 60 by the given equation. Here it is given that x plus 3d is equal to 165. By using this, I replace the value of 60 as 330 degree minus 2x here. So by simplifying this, we get the value of x. X is equal to 30 by 2, that is 15 degree. Next one is, given the mn are positive integers, then the value equal to n root a whole to the power mn. This can be written as root n a whole to the power 1 by m whole to the power m into n, and same it is written as a power 1 by m into n whole to the power mn. Mn and mn gets cancelled. So this is equal to a. Next one. The median and mode of a frequency distribution are 28 and 16 respectively. Then the value of mean is. We know the formula as 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. So 3 median minus mode is equal to 2 mean. So by replacing the value of median and mode and simplifying, we get the value of mean as 34. Next one, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting exactly 2 heads is. We know that the probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So here when 3 coins are tossed, the total number of outcomes are 8. So it is 8. Number of favorable outcomes are getting exactly 2 heads. So we have here 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 favorable outcomes. So it is 3 by 8. For rectangle ABCD are intersecting at O, if angle BOC is equal to 44 degree, then angle AOD is, here it is given 44 degree. So angle AOD will be also 44 degree because these two are vertically opposite angles. And then in triangle diagonals bisect each other. So these two will be equal. So angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So these two angles will be equal. So let us take these angles as x. So the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So I am adding all these angles. This will be 180 degree. So x plus x is 2x. 2x is equal to 180 minus 44 degree. So by simplifying we get the value of angle is 68 degree. Next one. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. The biggest angle of the quadrilateral is. Here, let us take 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x be the angles of a quadrilateral. We know that the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So, 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equal to 360 degree. So by adding all these, 30x is equal to 360 degree. So the value of x is 12 degree. Then they are asking the biggest angle. So here the biggest angle is 13x. So 13 into x is 156 degree. So the answer is 156 degree. Next one, the circumference of the base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter and the height is 20 centimeter. Then the lateral surface area is. We know that lateral surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi r h. Here 2 pi r is nothing but the circumference of the circle. So here they have given the circumference as 44 centimeter and the height as 20 centimeter. So by multiplying this we get LSA as 880 square centimeter. Next one, the ratio of the total surface area of a solid hemisphere to the square of its radius is. We know that the total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 3 pi r square with respect to square of its radius r square. So the ratio is 3 pi is to 1. Next one, given a plus b plus c is equal to 10 and AB plus BC plus CA is 25, then the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3AB is. We know the formula of AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3AB is equal to this. We know the value of this and we know the value of this. But we need to find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. So by using the identity A plus B plus C whole square, we get the value of A square plus B square plus C square as 50. Now by using this, in this equation, we get the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab is 250. Next one, pair of linear equations 5x plus 2y is equal to k and 2 into k plus 1x plus ky is equal to 3k plus 4 have an infinite number of solutions, then the value of k is. The condition for two lines to be having an infinite number of solutions is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. I replace the values here. By equating any two equations, we get the value of k. So here I am equating first one and second one. By equating these, we get the value of k as 4. Next one, x minus a is a factor of x cube minus a square x plus 2, then the value of a is. We know that by factor theorem, if f of x has a factor x minus k if and only if f of k is equal to 0. Here in the value, in the place of k we have a. So by equating f of a is equal to 0, we get the value of a, that is a equal to minus 2. Next one, When the polynomial x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x square minus 2, then the remainder is. So now by dividing this polynomial by x square minus 2 and by simplifying we get the value as 5x minus 9. Next one, the factors of a square minus 1 minus 2x minus x square. I simplify like this. Taking minus outside, we get 1 plus 2x plus x square. This is in the form of 1 plus x whole square. Now this is in the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So by this identity we get the factors as this. Next one, in the given ABC is a right angle triangle at B. If BD is perpendicular to AC, AD is equal to 5 cm and DC is equal to 2 cm, then the length of BC is. So it is given that it is a right angle triangle and AD is 5, BC is 2. We have a result BC square is equal to CD into CA. This is from the similarity of triangles. In that concept we get the result as BC square is equal to CD into CA. So we know the value of these two. CD is 2, CA is 2 plus 5, 7. So 2 into 7 is 14. So BC is root 14.